Hello guys, welcome to our channel. Today I am going to show you how to download threads from Instagram. Okay, so let's get started. Then first of all click on App Store. Okay, and tap on search bar and search on this app threads. Okay, just click and tap on this app and click on this option. Okay, just wait few seconds and downloading this app. Okay, then open. Okay, then back, tap on home screen and click on this app. Allow. That's all. To download threads from Instagram. Thanks for watching. Please like, comments and subscribe. Thank you.